Direct Co-op's affiliate program allows members, whether drivers, small businesses, or consumers, to earn residual income on new members they bring onto the platform. Member affiliates can receive an average of 15% of the net profits, whether from joint purchases or from transaction fees on the Direct Local and Direct B2B apps, as well as from driver memberships, rides, member savings programs, services, and more. The first thing we have to do is register as a seller on the Direct Co-op's platform. If you're invited to join by a friend or a colleague, they can send you a personalized link via email or text, linking you back to them so they can earn residuals from your transactions. Once registered, you can also generate your own affiliate link to refer other businesses, drivers, and consumers to the platform. Once you open your referral link, you will be taken to the new member registration page. Enter your information and select the category and the subcategory of your business. You can register as any type of business, including retail shops, restaurants, and more. You can also register as an existing rideshare or delivery driver. You will then be automatically redirected to the affiliate registration page where the email of the person that referred you will already be populated. Enter your PayPal email where you would like your commissions to be sent. Then, enter a personal affiliate key. This is a unique key of your choice that should be different than your store's ID. Finally, enter the verification code and press Save. Once your new affiliate account has been approved, you will have access to the complete affiliate system. Let's go over the menu options. First, you have tier affiliates. Any new affiliates that sign up under you will appear here. As we'd mentioned earlier, there can only be one affiliate level under you, and each of their earnings are displayed here. Next, you have the commission section that shows you the residual you have made on each transaction completed by your referrals, whether through the website or the Direct Local and Direct B2B apps. Residuals are made on both retail and wholesale transactions. You can filter the transactions based on a certain date range, as well as based on the products purchased and the status of the purchases. You can also withdraw your commissions from this or the next screen. Under Withdrawals, you will find a full history of your commission withdrawals. Note that the minimum for a withdrawal is $50. The Traffic section shows you a summary of your commissions to date. In the Report section, you can generate your full commissions report going back up to 2 years. The more members you refer to the platform, the more income you will generate for yourself, and the members you bring can also build their own teams. Our platform offers major benefits to the consumer who, while saving money and supporting local businesses, can also enjoy a limitless earning potential through our platform. Our affiliate program compensates members based on how many new members they refer. While commissions start from 5%, they can go as high as 25% for affiliates that bring 1,000 new members or more. This is different from a multi-level marketing scheme, since our structure only has 2 levels, where everyone can be both an affiliate and a referral. You only work with your own team. We welcome you to invite everyone you know to join our team today and become part of the Direct family. We are stronger together.